Congratulations on your new MacBook Neo. Setting it up for the first time is quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. Let's walk you through every step from the first hello to your new desktop. Once you've unboxed your Mac, simply open the hinge. You'll see the Apple logo appear as the system boots up. You'll be greeted with hello in several different languages. Use your trackpad to select your preferred language. Then click the arrow to select your country or region. Next, the Migration Assistant will appear. You have the option to transfer data from a Windows PC, another Mac, or even an iPhone or iPad. For this video, we're going to select Set Up as New. Click Continue through the accessibility screen. Then select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password to get online. It will then check for a software update. Just press Continue to automatically start the update process. It might take a while, and after update, your Neo will take several restarts. After that, some initial prompts will appear. Once again, just follow through the prompts. Then comes the data and privacy prompt. And next, it's time to create your Mac account. This is essential for logging into your computer. Enter your full name and account name and create a secure password. Now you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID. You can create a new one here, but we're going to sign into an existing account. You can set this up or skip for setup later. Once signed in, you can enable iCloud Keychain to keep your passwords synced across all your devices. On the Make This Your New MacBook screen, you can choose to use the default settings or click Customize to manage your location services and analytic sharing. Next, you can choose to set up screen time now or later in settings, and then you will see the option for Apple Intelligence. You can set this up or skip for setup later. Follow the prompts to set up Siri so she recognizes your voice. For security, go ahead and set up Touch ID by resting your finger on the power button. This makes unlocking your Mac and using Apple Pay much faster. Finally, choose your interface look. Light mode, dark mode, or auto, which switches based on the time of day. One last prompt. Decide if you want your Mac to download and install updates automatically. Once you hit the final continue, you'll see the welcome screen. Click Get Started, and that's it. This is your newly set up MacBook Neo, ready for work or play. Thanks for your time.